recycling is obviously an important thing to be doing because we need to develop and nurture our recycling systems. You take things that are compostable and you compost them. You encourage the people making these compostable materials, certain kinds of paper, fabrics, and things like that, to make sure that these products are safe in combustion. Leaving package behind in the store is an act of communication about your feeling about packaging. Mobility choices are often critical ones, and so being close to where you work is a fundamental idea. It's amazing how many things in the world were never designed to be healthy. What we've done on a personal level is create a certification process that allows us to actually look into a product and communicate up and down the supply chain about the quality of the chemicals that are being used in the products. Things that are seen as biological nutrients go back to soil safely, and we develop not only the products so that at the parts per million and parts per billion level they're safe for ecological and human systems. We call those biological nutrients. And we make technical nutrients, things that are designed to go back to industry forever. And so I think that adopting those protocols by large organizations and by companies will help individuals be able to make the choices. I think we have to vote with our dollars because commerce is the engine of change. It listens to signals from the marketplace. Under current mental models of consumption, we see it as a take-make-waste system where everything is on its way to a landfill or an incinerator. If consumption was something that was being used to rebuild our soils or to create fecundity and growth, then consumption could be a good thing. We focus on the demand side on the part of individuals, and we focus on the supply side on the part of organizations and companies. Part of the design assignment of the future generation is to come up with ways of designing things that are safe and healthy to consume so we can delight in that. Other things like computers and cars and so on, we call products of service. We don't necessarily need to own this equipment. It's really something that we want to use for a period of time, and then we could turn it back into the industry from whence it came. That'll encourage the companies to redesign their products for disassembly and for continuous reuse. So if cars were made out of safe, healthy materials that were designed for disassembly and reuse, then we could get the latest technology all the time for safety, for mobility, for batteries, in the electric car future and things like that. Small decisions aggregate into large impacts.